Have you ever noticed that some cars seem to lose their value almost as soon as you drive them off the lot, while others hold steady for years? Today, we're breaking down the surprising factors that make certain cars depreciate faster, from brand reputation and reliability to market demand and fuel efficiency. By the end, you'll understand why some vehicles are financial black holes and why others are smart investments. Today, we will talk about why some cars lose value faster than others. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Understanding depreciation and its impact. Depreciation is the silent cost of owning a car, yet most buyers overlook it when purchasing. Simply put, depreciation is the loss of a vehicle's value over time. Every new car loses value the moment it leaves the dealership. On average, cars depreciate 20 to 30% in the first year and around 50% over 5 years. However, not all cars depreciate at the same rate. Luxury vehicles, high-performance models, and cars with high maintenance costs tend to lose value faster, while economy cars and reliable brands often retain value longer. Factors influencing depreciation include brand perception, reliability ratings, demand in the used market, fuel efficiency, and technology relevance. Understanding how different factors affect depreciation helps buyers make smarter choices and avoid losing thousands of dollars simply because they chose a car that fell out of favor quickly. 2. Brand reputation and reliability. One of the biggest determinants of a car's resale value is the reputation of its manufacturer. Brands like Toyota, Honda, and Subaru consistently produce vehicles that hold their value because of reliability, low maintenance costs, and strong demand in the used market. On the other hand, luxury brands like Jaguar, Land Rover, or some high-end European vehicles depreciate faster due to higher repair costs and complex systems that can deter buyers. Reliability ratings, frequency of recalls, and consumer reports play a critical role in how quickly a car loses value. Buyers who choose vehicles from brands with strong long-term reliability often enjoy higher resale prices, less frequent repairs, and predictable ownership costs, whereas those who prioritize prestige over dependability can face steep financial losses in the first few years. 3. The role of vehicle type and segment. Not all car segments hold value equally. SUVs and trucks, particularly mid-sized or popular off-road models, often retain value longer than sedans or minivans due to higher demand and utility. Conversely, sporty coupes and convertibles frequently depreciate faster, partly because their market is smaller and they appeal to niche buyers. Market trends and consumer preferences heavily influence depreciation rates. For instance, in recent years, demand for sedans has declined in favor of SUVs and crossovers, which accelerates depreciation for traditional sedan models. Choosing a vehicle segment that aligns with current consumer demand and long-term trends is critical to maintaining value, while opting for a vehicle type with dwindling popularity increases the risk of steep depreciation. 4. Luxury features and high maintenance costs. Luxury cars often come loaded with advanced technology, performance engines, and premium interiors. While appealing at first, these features can accelerate depreciation. High-tech systems are expensive to repair, and as they age, some functions may become obsolete or fail. Luxury vehicles with complex electronics, adaptive suspensions, or specialized parts often require dealer servicing, which increases maintenance costs and reduces resale appeal. Buyers are typically hesitant to purchase used vehicles that may require costly repairs, leading to faster depreciation. In contrast, simpler mainstream cars with widely available parts and easy maintenance are more attractive in the resale market, ensuring slower depreciation and lower long-term ownership costs. 5. Mileage and usage patterns. High mileage is one of the most obvious contributors to depreciation. Cars with excessive miles lose value faster because they are perceived as less reliable and closer to needing major repairs. Conversely, low-mileage vehicles retain value better because buyers associate them with lower wear and tear. Usage patterns such as city driving with frequent stop-and-go traffic can accelerate mechanical wear, while vehicles primarily used on highways often age more gracefully. Prospective buyers consider mileage a proxy for remaining lifespan, and vehicles with unusually high mileage for their age face steeper discounts in the resale market. Proper maintenance and careful usage can mitigate these effects, slowing depreciation even for vehicles driven regularly. 6. Fuel efficiency and operating costs. Fuel economy significantly affects a vehicle's long-term value. Cars that are expensive to operate due to poor gas mileage or reliance on premium fuel often lose value faster. Conversely, fuel-efficient models and hybrids attract buyers who want to minimize long-term costs, which boosts resale value. Changes in fuel prices can amplify this effect. A spike in gas prices increases demand for small, efficient cars while reducing appeal for gas-guzzling SUVs or high-performance cars. Electric vehicles are gaining attention in this regard, as lower energy costs and incentives for green transportation can help them maintain value better than traditional high-consumption vehicles in markets with supportive policies. 7. Market trends and consumer preferences. Market trends can have a huge impact on depreciation. Certain models fall out of fashion as consumers shift preferences toward newer technologies, body styles, or environmentally friendly options. For example, traditional sedans have declined in popularity in favor of SUVs and crossovers, causing sedans from previously popular brands to depreciate faster. Likewise, the shift toward electric vehicles in many regions is accelerating depreciation for older gasoline cars, especially those with higher emissions. Monitoring market trends and choosing vehicles aligned with future demand can protect value, while ignoring shifts can result in rapid loss of resale potential. 8. Optional features and trim levels. The choice of trim and optional features also affects depreciation. Cars with popular trims that balance affordability with desirable options tend to retain value better than vehicles loaded with expensive, low-demand features. For example, a mid-trim SUV with leather seats, safety packages, and infotainment upgrades may sell faster than a fully loaded top trim with expensive, rarely used features. Vehicles that offer features that appeal to a wide range of buyers maintain better resale prices, while those with niche or over-engineered options can struggle to find interested buyers, accelerating depreciation. Choosing features wisely when purchasing can save thousands in long-term value loss. 9. Color and customization choices. Believe it or not, the color and level of customization can influence how quickly a car loses value. Neutral, widely appealing colors like white, black, gray, or silver generally retain value better because they attract more buyers. Highly customized cars, unusual colors, or aftermarket modifications often depreciate faster because they appeal to a limited audience. Even minor personalization choices, like decals, spoilers, or aftermarket wheels, can reduce resale appeal. Standard mainstream choices ensure a broader buyer pool when it's time to sell, protecting value, while niche styling can inadvertently accelerate depreciation. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.